In this video, we'll show you how to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the Sweatcoin app on your device. Now from here, go ahead and click on the top left corner of your screen to be able to get redirected into your profile. And in here, go ahead and click on that gear icon at the top right of your screen. Click on that Earn Sweat, and as you can see in here, walking for crypto, every step between 3,000 and 10,000 steps each day will be converted to sweat, which means that you will not need to transfer the sweat coin from the Sweatcoin app to your sweat wallet, since you automatically earn a sweat balance for walking at least 3,000 to 10,000 per day. As of today, one sweat is equivalent to 7,086.19 steps more. Sweatcoin and Sweat are two different currencies. Sweat is a cryptocurrency that you can use to trade and buy things on the Sweat Wallet app. And that is how you can simply transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.